You are going to love 2006 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, front suspension type, double wishbones. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, child seat anchors, power steering, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.